Evening, everybody. Here's the random video results for the Starbucks card, as you see here at the top, right there. Here is our list of names. We're going live now. At fresh the time and date, 6 o'clock. Alright, let's get our dice out. Rolling 2 dice. It'll be better than 5. There we go, number 6. 6 rounds. Our numbers are already set for us in range 1 to 10. Round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our final round. Final round 6 is number 8. Number 8 is Melody Jones. Congratulations, Melody. And we are done. Posting video shortly. Thank y'all.